Hello, welcome back to ultra-specific tech tips with Lewin that will probably never reach their intended audience. Do you create any kind of content, video, Photoshop, Illustrator, whatever, on a ASUS ROG laptop? Well, this is for you, because I am pretty happy with this laptop, but I have been using it for years and I have this problem and I fixed it today, and oh my god, I so wish I had found it years ago. So, do you ever design something and you're like, oh yeah, looks great, that's awesome, and then you look at it on your phone and you're like, fuck, where, why? Because the whites are too bright on your screen, but no matter what you do with the configuration, it just still does the thing. Well, I figured it out for my laptop at least. Alright, so ROG Gaming Center, and here there is Game Visual, which is this thing, and for some fucking reason mine was set to scenery. I don't know if I did that years ago, but anyway, let's set it to default. Hallelujah! You might not be able to see that so well, but look, it's grey. It shows that it's actually grey. I was about to buy a new monitor, or at least seriously considering it. So if this fixes anyone's problem, you're welcome. I hope you do not suffer like me. Now to level like 26 designs again. But if you do like the look of that pride flag, which is gay men's times rainbow times polyamory, it's gonna be for my Redbubble, and I'm making every kind of pride flag that I can with 5 or 3 stripes in the same design. So look forward to that if you like the sound of that. Okay, bye.